I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Mazda CX-9. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. It's also important that your Mazda CX-9 is parked safely before you start. We'll be using the car's built-in controls to navigate through the pairing steps. This easy method will have you streaming audio and making calls wirelessly in no time. To begin, locate the talk button on your steering wheel and press it firmly. Once you hear the system prompt, clearly say Setup to enter the main system menu. From there, you'll be presented with several options on the display. Use the vehicle's controls to carefully select Bluetooth to proceed with the pairing process. This crucial step gets us much closer to successfully connecting your device. Now, within the Bluetooth menu on your Mazda's screen, choose the option that says Add Device or Pair Device. Your Mazda CX-9 will then become discoverable to your phone, actively searching for a connection. On your phone, open its Bluetooth settings and look for a device named Mazda or Hands-Free. Tap on it to initiate the connection. You're almost there, ready for the final step. If your Mazda CX-9 displays a PIN, enter that same number into your phone when prompted. After entering the PIN, confirm the pairing on both your phone and the vehicle's screen. Once confirmed, you'll hear a notification, and your phone will be successfully connected. You can now enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite music through your car's audio system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.